Hello viewers, let's open a new channel of WhatsApp. This feature has been introduced by WhatsApp in 2023. It's very good for sharing information, audio, video or pictorial data for your followers. So let's go to the screen to open a WhatsApp channel. Let's open WhatsApp and go to update. And some update is available at top and some other WhatsApp it's also mentioned below. So these are channels. So find channels, it's just a glance to give you the already available channel on WhatsApp. Let's go and press plus sign to make your own or create a channel and press continue. Better you keep open your channel to public, create channel and give it a name, like in my case I gave it Yekyun Khan Tech. Also give a good description about the features or information containing your channel. It's also important that you may keep your information open to your followers. So it's done. Now let's open the link, copy it, and let's also go click this sign of camera sign, go to gallery for uploading a picture on your channel. So let me choose my picture, click done. Now click in the text box and simply paste the web address we just copied. It's about my channel I recently opened. Let's go and click the gallery to upload a picture, audio, video. You can share it on Facebook stories as the channel is new. You can also open your own channel. Let's click it and let's see what I had. Now click three dots and channel info. This information is related to your own channel, just like you can see about my information. Click three dots, more options and channel settings. Open it and better you keep it open or any emoji. Next, share. Through this you can share your link through WhatsApp or other social media accounts for further sharing. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.